All right, so you have peanut butter and jelly, chicken and waffles, pineapple on pizza, Wendy's Frosty and fries, and prosciutto and melon. You gotta love the sweet and the savory. And today, sausage and pears with cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. All right, let's start with the pears. You can use 1 or 2 pears depending on your sweetness taste level. Any variety of pear can work, but I find the Danjou and the Bosc pear work best. I'm gonna go with 1 pear today, and I'm gonna use the Danjou variety. Slice the pear away from the core, and then slice and dice the pear into the smallest little cubes that you can. Next, coarsely grate 200 grams of FONTINA cheese. If you have any problems like this, just use a knife and cut them all up, and then obviously eat a couple pieces for yourself. Next, finely grate 25 grams of Parmigiano-Reggiano. I told you there was a lot of cheese in this recipe. Now for the sausage, mild, sweet, hot, or any flavored ones that you like can be used. You want about 300 grams or 3 to 5 sausages depending on the size. Just remove the casings and place the sausage meat in a large bowl. Time to cook the pears a little bit. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a pan on medium heat, and 1 smashed garlic clove. Then let everything saute and let the garlic infuse with the oil and butter. Then we're gonna add the pears and we're gonna season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, and chili flakes for some heat. Saute and cook down the pears until softened. Then remove and let cool. Once cooled, remove the garlic clove and add the pear mixture to the sausage meat, and then add both cheeses and then mix to incorporate everything. I'm just gonna quickly say, there's nothing wrong with store-bought puff pastry. Flour a work surface and roll out your pastry dough. I'm using 2 sheets that are 9.5 by 10 inches or 450 grams total. Cover both sides of the dough with some flour and then slice in half lengthwise. And then with some egg wash or water, we're gonna brush one edge. And then on the other edge, we're gonna lay out the filling. Try not to stuff it too much. And then roll the dough over the sausage mixture and seal the dough. You can use a fork to help seal. You can also just completely roll it over to seal as well. And then leave whole or slice in half and place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Use the remaining egg wash to brush over all the rolls. This will help give shine and color. Then just sprinkle with poppy seeds, sesame seeds, or a combination of the two. And then place in the oven at 375 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes, depending on your oven, or until the pastry is puffy, flaky, and nice and golden brown. Now, some of the oil and sugars from the filling may come out while cooking and pool and slightly burn a little bit, so you can just remove the rolls from the parchment paper and let rest on a wire rack. And then bring these rolls to the table, please. This is just another great sweet and savory combination with the sausage and the pears and then the cheese holding it all together. And of course, puff pastry. You can wrap anything in it. It's always a good option. So I hope you give this a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.